You bought a house 10 months ago for $1 million, and now you are selling it for $1.5 million. You are happy about it. But wait a minute, what is this $50,000 withholding tax? Do you have to pay it? Hi, I'm Ava, a local realtor here in San Jose, California. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you to avoid a last-minute tax surprise when you are selling your home. In the state of California, if you are buying and selling a house in less than a year, you may be subject to a withholding tax. The withholding amount is 3.25% of sales price. This is a large amount given how expensive houses are. This unexpected tax can derail your financial goals if you didn't plan ahead. When you put your house on the market, your realtor will notify an escrow company to start your escrow. Escrow office will withhold and transmit the tax to the government after closing. If a withholding tax is required here, they will send you a Form 593, real estate withholding statements, to see if you qualify for an exemption. The law requires the escrow holder to provide a notice of the withholding requirements. The escrow cannot make a legal determination as to whether any exemption applies. It needs to come from the sellers. On the form, you can find a listing of qualified exemptions. Here are the 5 most common exemptions. Number 2 is the one that applies to most sellers who buy and sell less than a year. The seller last used the property as the principal residence under IRS Code 121 without regard to the 2-year period. Once you complete the form, sign it and return it to the escrow office before the closing. Also, for good record keeping, keep a copy of the signed form, including evidence of sending the form back to escrow. If for some reason you are exempt from the withholding tax but did not complete and return the Form 593 before the closing, and now the government has collected the 3.25% of the sales price, contact your tax advisor right away to see if you can file a claim to recover the withholding tax. It's not unheard of for people to get that withholding tax back. Tax issues are often complex and require a detailed review. The purpose of this video is to provide basic and general information. Talk to your attorney or tax advisor if you have any concerns or questions. I hope you find today's video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.